Alright, this is my third time starting this video. Second time I realized I had this, and so I'm going to tell a quick story. So ordered two coins off of bullion exchanges. One I ordered bullion exchanges via eBay, and the other one from bullion exchanges website. So I initially went to go order both coins off of bullion exchanges eBay's website. However, when I went to go check out, one of the two coins was not there. I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. Tried it a couple times. Finally, I just omitted one of the coins and left the one coin in that I really wanted. Okay, excuse me. My voice is cracking, right? So, anyways, I went ahead and went to go check out with that other coin. And it was above $1,500, but for some reason I was still getting charged tax, which I don't understand why. I live in Californication, and anything over $1,500 not supposed to be charged tax, but I was being charged tax. I went out, went back in, went out, went back in, and it was charging me tax every time. It didn't make any sense to me, so I said forget it. I went to actual bullion exchange's website, and they had the coin there. I went ahead and purchased it there, and there was no tax. So I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. Maybe it's because where the coin is coming from. I'm going to do another video when I get that other coin, because this is the other coin that I ordered. It was off the bullion exchange's eBay, much quicker than the actual bullion exchange's website. I don't understand why. I checked on that one today, and it just got shipped out today. So it took a week for them to ship out that coin, which again doesn't make any sense. Okay, well, let's go ahead and do a live unboxing for you guys. So you're gonna see this coin for the first time like me. So let me take this out of camera for a sec, or if I could just muscle this out of here. Looks like some good packaging, that's for sure. Hold on a sec. Okay, this doesn't have any shipping info, and it came in this padded envelope, really thick padding here with bubble wrap and everything, and then it's in the box. So let's see what's in the box, man. What's in the box? All right, so let's see if we can get this open without doing any harm to our fingers here. See how that works here? Are you kidding me? Is that another? Oh man, how funny is that? There's actually another. Wow, I think they went a little overboard on the packaging. So, okay, wow, okay. And I think the item is over here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. It looks like it's wrapped in an invoice. Go ahead and take this out. We'll go ahead and get rid of this invoice. Okay. Wow, it's a lot of work, right, guys? And this is the coin. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Wrong knife. So I have another coin coming, and I think it's going to be here sometime during the week, and I'll go ahead and do another unboxing. Nothing's happening here, so let's try that again. Wow, I'm just really bad. So give me a second, guys. More bubble wrap. Okay. So here we go. Here's what I got. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I got another 50 peso. Probably tell already. Let's take a look at the condition. Hopefully it's in semi-decent condition. Never had an issue with bullion exchanges. I've ordered many items from them, and everything I've ordered seemed to be in really good shape. Here we are. Okay, that does appear to have some scratches on it. Let's take a look here. Or it's just my eyes. Here we go. 50 peso coin. And this is 1.206 grams, I believe, or ounces. 37.5 grams. So it's a nice big coin. Yeah, it has some little scratches right above her head. So it's not in the greatest shape, which is kind of a bummer. I was hoping it'd be in a better shape. I had ordered this one from them a while ago, and this one is much nicer and also has a different hue to it. If you look at that, see how this one looks a little bit more. This one looks a little bit more copperish, and this one looks a little bit more goldish. Anybody know why that is? Maybe it's where I'm holding it in the light. Let's try switching hands. No, same thing. That's weird. So if anyone knows why this one looks a little bit more goldish, has a golder tint, and this one doesn't, I believe maybe the mix, maybe they had more copper when they were minting this one. I have no idea, but this one this one I had, the original one I have here, looks so much nicer than this one. And I'm not saying this one's not nice at all, but just the quality of that one, the sheen on that one is really nice. So anyways, guys, I have another coin coming in a couple days, and look, it's a scratch right there. Oh man, what a shame. I got another coin coming, and I'll do another unboxing, but I do love these coins, so glad I picked up another one. 250 pesos. Tell me what you guys think. And if anyone knows why this is has a more of a yellow tint to it, I'd drop a comment down below. I'd be interested. Y'all take care of yourselves. Chevrolet 101. I'm out.